other hand, spread your fingers.
Kiva's family.
Which took place on this very day, August 19th, 1942. Behind earlier, these grounds, now known as Exhibition Place, are the traditional lands of the Mississaugas of the New Credit.
Yeah, let's go. Go play. Right here, go.
Alright, so first
Yeah, I already came here last time and then you just take something and then you go around it.
that's right. So you guys want to go ahead and pick your bucket? Just pick your favorite color bucket.
How about red? I'll get green. How about
Alright, and you guys should all have seeds in your buckets. So you're going to plant your seeds right over there.
what? See? Oh, can we have
Yeah, she should have a seed.
It's blue.
You gotta plant your seed. But dig a hole and put your seed in there.
There's a hole just a little bit.
Oh, you guys can also pick some vegetables.
东西都拿你做啊，都拿你做。咱们还有。
I like this one. This one you like me.
Timmy, take a tomato. Take one tomato.
And a potato. Everyone, get one potato.
some type of meat. Just pick one that's good. I don't know. Does it feel like a real pony? Yeah?
She's still drinking and she got it. She still got it, Daddy. She's still drinking. It's all turkey.
Suction. And as she inserts one inflation on each of the 4 teats, fairly
What we are? When you get lost of
He's milking the cow. Moo.
Number 2 here. Yeah. Whoop. That's okay. I'll get it. Yeah, number 2 here. Okay. This one is the important one. If you screw this up, I throw these back.
Dances with butterflies. She is light as